Hello, thank you for purchasing Nada, a music podcast app UI kit, built with Flutter. In this video, we will learn how to run and customize this UI kit so it can be used as starter for your project. When purchasing this Flutter UI kit, you will get documentation file and source code in zip format. Please extract it. Open your favorite code editor. In my case, I use Visual Studio Code. Then click File, Open Folder, then select the source code folder. Give confirmation to trust the author. Then, run pub-get to downloads all the libraries needed by the app. After all dependency libraries are downloaded, now it's time to debug your project. Connect your device or emulator, then open main.dart. Click Run, then click Start Debugging, or you can just press F5. Now, after your Flutter application is running, let's take a look at some of the features in this Flutter UI kit. This Flutter UI kit can be used as a starting point to build music streaming service that provides users with access to library of songs, podcasts, and other audio content. Let's first look at the folders structure of this application. First, folder assets/nada. You can find all assets here. It can be image like PNG, JPG, or SVG. Next is fonts folder. You store the fonts here. Now go to lib folder, where all Dart codes of your app are stored. Under it you can find the Screens folder. All the Dart code for the screens are stored here. The Widgets folder. where all the Dart codes for the widgets are stored, and Data Models folder, where all data models are stored. Next, there is theme.dart file that contains theme settings for the app, and finally constant.dart file that contains color scheme settings. Okay, let's just watch the demo of the features in this Flutter UI Kit. First, onboarding screen contains sliders, create an account button, sign in button, and social media login integration. The code can be found in onboarding_screen.dart. Sign-in screen provide email login and social media integration. The code can be found in sign-in screen.dart. Next is sign up screen. You can find the code in sign up screen.dart. And all of form widgets can be located at form.dart at widgets folder. After sign up, user is able to choose his preference of artists or speakers. The code can be found in preferences artists screen.dart and preferences podcast screen.dart. Here is the screen showing the user registration is complete. The code can be found at preferences success screen.dart. After completing registration, user will have access to home screen that consists of two tabs, Music tab and Podcast tab. Each tab also contains several slider widgets, and you can find the code in home screen.dart. Like any other screens, home screen uses data model. That can be found in data model folder. Notification screen can be accessed via home screen. The code can be found in notification screen.dart. Player screen has song art, player control button, auto scroll lyric, and functional action button. The code can be found in player screen.dart. Album screen code can be found in album screen.dart. Next is playlist screen. The code can be found in playlist screen.dart. Podcast list screen code can be found in podcast details screen.dart. Search screen contains search button and category grid view. You can find the code in searchscreen.dart file. Category grid view lead to category screen. That contains several sliders. You can find the code in category screen.dart file. Then we have search results screen. It has filtered search result feature. You can find the code in search results screen.dart file. Library screen contains users' saved playlists, favorite songs, podcasts, and artists. You can find the code in library screen.dart file. Finally, the account screen that will lead to subscriptions and benefits screen, devices screen, storage screen, feedback screen, and settings screen. You can find the code in account screen.dart file. Now, it's time to customize your app. Of course you can use as it is, but if you want to customize it, please open constants.dart, where you can change all color aspects of your app. In this example, you want to change secondary color to red. Just change the color hex code, then hit save and hot reload. There you go. The secondary color has been changed to red. You can also customize theme aspect of your app. Open theme.dart file. By changing its properties, you can customize the icon theme, text theme, and app bar theme. Okay. Now you have a Flutter application that is ready to code further. You can customize the UI, connect to database with API, and make a complete app. Don't forget to subscribe for more Flutter tutorials.